Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix home screen widgets data information is not updating in Samsung smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So right now you can see I have some widgets already being applied on my Android home screen. So sometimes what happens, say I have a widget here on the above showing a day, month and year, right? So sometimes what happens, such widgets data information does not get updated. So in order to fix such issue on your respective Android smartphone, the first method what you need to do is say you need to find out which application widgets you are using on your Android home screen. So right now I'm using widgets named as another widget. So tap and hold on it and just tap on this I button. And now just check the option written here, remove permission if app is unused. So if this option is enabled, then just turn it off. And still after doing this also, if this issue does not get fixed, then the second method what you need to do is just go to the phone settings and now just scroll down below, and now you will see here one option written battery and device care, right? Just tap on it. Now here you will see one option written battery, just tap on it. Now you will see here background usage limit, just tap on it. Now you can see here the first option, put unused apps to sleep. So you can either turn it off or you can manually turn it off for your respective application which you want to turn it off only for a particular application. Then you can just check the options below, just check the sleeping apps. If your apps is already being applied or added here, just check it out. So in my case it's not being added. So if it's added, just click on this three dot icons and you can see the remove option. Then you can remove your apps from here which you want to remove. And the second option also you can check out deep sleeping apps. So here also if the application is added or not here, and if it is added, then you can just once again click on this three dot icons on the above and you can just remove it. Or if you want to set the application never sleeping apps, then you can just tap on the last option and you can edit here so that it never gets sleep even if the apps is not been used for a particular period of time. So in this way you can fix home screen widgets data information is not updating in Samsung smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.